Welcome back to the English language learning class. Since it has been a long gap, we had uploaded our video, but I'm again back, your own, to explain you about the commercial or the display advertisement. Now, what do we mean by the display advertisement? Normally, we people have already seen many advertisements on the TV. Simple सा cream दिखा देते हैं and they say us that you put it on and you will be becoming a very beautiful, fair and glamorous lady within 7 days. And we people get attracted or influenced by those sort of advertisement after seeing it on your TV channels or on the newspapers or anywhere, and then we go and purchase the product. Actually, that is called the creativity of the person who has designed that advertisement. Those things are known as a display advertisement or the commercial advertisement. What is the main intention of those people, those who are creating the display advertisement? Now, this task will be for you students, how to influence the examiner through your advertisement. Not to earn the money, but to get the good scores, that is the good marks. Now, let me just explain you what is display advertisement. First thing, what are the features regarding the display advertisement or the commercial advertisement? Number one, it is designed for commercial purpose. That means especially for earning money. But as we teacher and student, we are using it for our earning marks or scoring marks or gaining marks. Next, it occupies more space because we have to draw a design. I will be showing it to you after explaining this part how to draw. That means we need to become a good artist also. So it occupies more space, more expensive in terms of advertising cost. Now, if I say you go to the market and take that product, that means no expense is there. I can say I just told you orally and you people are going to purchase. But when I am putting it in the advertisement form, that means I have to use a paper, I have to use the colorful ink, we can say, and use our brain to advertise it. So in that case, it is more expensive in terms of advertising cost. Next feature, important feature is visually attractive. आजकल presentation का ज़माना है. Now, for example, if I say that I have a bottle in my house and many bottles are there, not in one single bottle I will say, but I will just put it in front of you. Do you want to purchase it? The first thing that comes to your mind, why should I purchase a bottle from you when many are available in the market? Different varieties are, different colors are there. That means what did I do? I just offered you a single thing that, are you going to or are you interested to buy this bottle? I didn't do the advertisement. When something is packed in a very attractive way that pulls the buyer, we can say, to take the thing or to purchase the thing. So the next thing is it should be visually attractive. How can we do it in the paper? That means we need to make it in such a way that it becomes attractive to the reader. Here we are not going for the marketing. We are showing it in our pen and paper talent. Okay, remember. So it should be visually attractive. And how can it be attractive? We can change the font size or the shape or the design or the pattern. Next comes slogans, metaphors, similes, etc. that can be used. Now we are coming for the linguistic part. That means कौन सा language use कर रहे हैं? Simple सा चीज मैं आपको एक example देती हूँ. Now I am uploading my video on the YouTube. Many other people are there, those are uploading their videos regarding this, the same topic you will see. But variations can be there. You may or may not like the way I am teaching here. That means what am I doing? I am explaining this display advertisement in my own way. Different ways can be applied or can be used by different people. Same thing what we are going to do. Different types of metaphors, similes या फिर slogans. That means कैसे हम अपना product को आप तक पहुंचाए. एक ऐसा slogan, कुछ ऐसा बढ़ा चढ़ा के हम लोग एडवर्टाइजमेंट करें जिससे कि हमारा प्रोडक्ट बिक जाए. ओके, दैट मीन्स स्लोगन्स, metaphors. Since we belong to the field of literature, I think I should not explain you what we mean by metaphors or similes or the slogans or anything. It is clear. I hope my students will be clear with this. Next, language should be colorful. What is a language? What language? That means we'll use different colors? No. Here language colorful means we have to use ornamental language. Now different sorts of advertisements you are seeing in the TV channels. कभी कभी एक प्रोडक्ट के दो दो तीन तीन तरीके के एडवर्टाइजमेंट आता है, लेकिन हमको वही याद रहता है जिसमें उनका जो बोलने का तरीका हो, द मॉडल दैट दे हैव यूज्ड, द कलर ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट दे हैव यूज्ड, और द पैकेजिंग, एवरीथिंग दैट आर यूज्ड विच अट्रैक्ट्स टू अस, जो हमारे आंखों को सूदिंग लगे, हमको वो म्यूजिक के जरिए हो या फिर सम लाइन्स they must have used, that is known as their language colorful and lucid, that means it is easily हम लोग उसको पकड़ सकते हैं. आप देखोगे छोटे बच्चों का जो प्रोडक्ट आता है ना, normally it makes them it so colorful. Suppose a child, if it is accompanied by the parents, that means the child is going along with the parents, आप देखोगे शॉप के एंट्रेंस में ही कुछ बड़ा सा डॉल रख देंगे या कुछ कलरफुल सा सामान रख देंगे या फिर कलर आइटम्स रख देंगे, क्ले आइटम्स रख देंगे. क्या होगा उससे? द चाइल्ड, इवन यू मस्ट हैव ऑल्सो फेस द सेम थिंग, बच्चा जो होता है वो अट्रैक्ट हो जाता है, फिर हाथ पैर मारना शुरू होगा, मम्मा मुझे ये चाहिए, पापा मुझे ये चाहिए. अगर मम्मा पापा तो दे दिए तो ठीक है, वरना बेचारा गाली वाली खा के घर जाएगा. तो ये जो इंटेंशन होता है वो शॉपकीपर का होता है कि कैसे मेरे ज़्यादा कस्टमर्स बने, एंड उनका फर्स्ट अटैक होता है एडवर्टाइजमेंट हमारे छोटे छोटे जनरेशन के बच्चे, दैट मीन्स यंगस्टर्स, बेबीज, we can say not infant babies, बच्चा क्रेडल में रहता है, ठीक है. तो that is from 7 to 12 years के जो बच्चे होते हैं, they pounce upon them. Okay, बहुत हो गया ये. Then we are coming for proportionate spacing. Suppose if this is a paper, we need to use every corner of the paper to make it attractive. Okay, so these are the features that display advertisement has. Now, what is the most important thing when you're writing in the exam? You need to follow. What are the important details that you should follow? What are those? The first thing is the company, name of the company or the organizer or the institute. Suppose कोई बुक्स के बारे में इंस्टीट्यूट दे रहा है या फिर कोई कोर्सेज के लिए दे रहा है तो इंस्टीट्यूट का नाम होना चाहिए, या फिर सम ऑर्गेनाइजर इज ऑर्गेनाइजिंग एन इवेंट, ऑर्गेनाइजर का नाम होना चाहिए, या फिर कंपनी, स्पेशल कंपनी कुछ प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करना चाहता है, इट कैन बी बॉटल्स, इट कैन बी वॉचेस, इट कैन बी कॉस्मेटिक्स प्रोडक्ट, एनीथिंग स्पेशल कंपनी मस्ट बी देयर, देन कंपनी का नेम होना चाहिए, इट इज मस्ट. सेकेंड इज डिटेल्स रिगार्डिंग द प्रोडक्ट or the event or the courses. That means since I have given company product, organizer event, institute courses, already have told you. Okay, so these things इसके बारे में detail होना चाहिए. If I am trying to advertise beauty cream, okay, beauty cream, मैं अपना कंपनी का नाम देके अगर कोई इंस्टीट्यूट का नाम दूं चलेगा? नहीं चलेगा, पागल है समझेंगे. तो if it is any product that you are trying to advertise, you need to mention the details. Okay, क्रीम का प्रोडक्ट दिखाऊंगी एंड मैं बोलूंगी ये बहुत टिकाऊ है, बहुत लंबा चलेगा, इसका इलास्टिसिटी बहुत ज्यादा है. What am I talking? Cream doesn't have any elasticity. Totally wrong details I'm giving you. So in that case, whenever you are doing it in a, especially my students, when you are writing or you are displaying your advertisement, be very sure that the details regarding the product, या फिर इवेंट के बारे में क्वेश्चन है या फिर कोर्स के बारे में कोई इंस्टीट्यूट का है, देन यू नीड टू मेंशन द डिटेल्स देयर. द थर्ड, ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, स्पेशली व्हाई? बिकॉज सम स्पेशल ऑफर्स और डिस्काउंट्स आर अवेलेबल हियर. You will not believe when a person buys a commodity or a product from the market, पे करके लेता है, ठीक है, ठीक है, वो प्रोडक्ट या फिर कुछ पसंद आ गया एंड वी आर परचेजिंग इट एंड इट्स ओके, बट उसके साथ अगर शॉपकीपर थोड़ा सा डिस्काउंट दे दे या बाय वन गेट वन फ्री ऑफर आ जाए, यू विल नॉट बिलीव, यू फील एज इफ यू आर ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. पैसा खर्चा करके खरीदते इतना खुशी नहीं होता है, लेकिन अगर डिस्काउंट में मिल गया, सेल में मिल गया, ऑफर में मिल गया, मस्त. तो हमेशा याद रखना, कोई सेल या डिस्काउंट का ऑफर दे दो एडवर्टाइज करने के टाइम. देन सब देने के बाद इंपॉर्टेंट इज एड्रेस एंड कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स ऑफ द कंपनी. सपोज कोई क्वेरी आए, कोई प्रॉब्लम आए, या फिर आपका एडवर्टाइजमेंट सबसे टॉप हो या फिर आपका प्रोडक्ट सबसे टॉप हो, तो one should try to contact you, no? So your contact or the address, details of the company, institute or organizers, etc. should be mentioned. So these are the features, these are the important things that you should keep in your mind when you are when you are writing it in the exam. Remember, you are not going for any advertising. Afterwards I will be showing you, just take the note down this. After this I am going to show you how to become a artist. Okay, go through this. So here is a question for you. Draft a display advertisement to promote the sale of Nyasa bottles. I've given this name, okay? Nyasa bottles to be published in Hindustan Times in about 50 words. This is my personal thing. I am not a good artist, okay? So don't judge by my drawing and all. So this is, you see, as I said, title is there. Offer is there. Buy two get one free. Your drawing is there to show the style of the bottle. And with a special offer it is there, that means buy two, do kharidoge ek milega. And limited offer, that means the time duration is given. And what are the special qualities? Attractive colors, stylish look, food grade quality, a perfect gift for your dear ones. As I said, details should be there if anyone wants to contact us or call us. Detail has been given here. Call us at ... Don't give the entire number, okay? All will disturb you. Put across to us, or you can give your website. Now this was a personal one, we can say. It is not related to any government or anything. Suppose a blood donation camp के लिए आपको advertisement करना है, Red Cross कर रहा है. In that case, what you have to write? You do everything, okay? Below you have to write issued in the public interest, because that carries certain marks for you. Don't forget to write issued in the public interest of. सोचो भी कंपनी का सपोज पर्टिकुलर कोई रेड क्रॉस कर रहा है, या फिर कोई वाटर बोर्ड और जल संचार निगम कोई कर रहा है, या फिर आपका विद्युत होता है, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड कर रहा है. स्पेसिफिक इज देयर, यू कैन मेंशन इट इश्यूड इन द पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट. बहुत जगह में आप देखोगे कंडीशंस में अप्लाई लिख देते हैं. डोंट राइट दैट, ओके? इश्यूड इन द पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट यू राइट. सो दिस इज द वे. This is not the accurate thing what you need to follow. You can do your own creative ideas, but just I have tried to make you understand. And remember children, put a box. Don't leave your drawings and here and there. सब एक एक करके ढूंढेंगे. Everything करने के बाद एक box बना दीजिए. This is your entire thing. Just go through it once. So with this we conclude today the section of the advertisement. Two parts where they are classified and non-classified, that is your display advertisement. So here we conclude this chapter. Very soon we will be uploading another video related to a topic regarding your English grammar or the writing skills. So till then, take care, be safe.